High level paper 1, question 7. We're going to insert a calculator page and we're going to define our two variables u and v. So we'll go to u is control equal to 2 plus 3i. To get the I, we can press the pi button twice, gets there quickly. And similarly we'll do v, control template, and we'll do 3 plus 2, press the pi button twice to get I. Now we've got an equation that is effectively 1 over u plus 1 over v is equal to 10 over w. And obviously that's going to give us an error because it doesn't know what w is. We can try and use the numerical solve command, but this is unlikely to work because numerical solve command is normally for real values, and hence it suggests there are no real solutions found, at least. And so what we need to do is look at this question a little bit more inventively, and let's look back to the equation which we had there. If we took the reciprocal of both sides, we would have a statement that would look such as 1 over u for the left hand side plus 1 over v over there, and this would equal w over 10, and therefore we could think of multiplying both sides by 10, and we should have an expression for w. And when I do that, it does indeed work out to give us the value. So we cannot automate this process using the numerical solve, but we could manually process it and check any answers we might have. Now we're being asked to work out the complex conjugate of w. If you're not too sure how to do that, we can do menu, we can go to the number tools, we can go to the complex number tools, and we can choose the first option, complex conjugate, and paste that in, and we get 13 minus 13i. Now we're looking for it in polar form, and again we can go to where we were a moment ago. We can go to number, complex number tools, and we can look for the magnitude of this number. And if I just paste that in, we look at something really quite awful. But if we square it, we get 338. And 338, as you may recognize, if I divide that by 2, I get 169. And so therefore this is looking a little bit like 13 lots of the square root of 2, and we can double check that. 13 lots of square root of 2 gives us the decimal we had before. For the polar angle, we can do menu, number, complex number tools, and we can actually take the polar angle. We'll go up and paste in that value again, 13 minus 13i, to get negative 45. This is still in degree mode, obviously. And we have to think what would the radian equivalent to that would be. You might already know that it's minus pi by 4. So, writing it in polar form, it would be 13 root 2 for the magnitude and the argument of minus pi by 4. We're done.